learning about adverbs. Now remember, an adverb is a word that modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. And what kind of questions does an adverb answer, class? That's right. Where, when, why, how often, to what extent. I hope you had those memorized. It will help you a lot in locating your adverbs. Today, we're going to take a simple, quick look at how to diagram adverbs. If you want to open up your books to page 168, diagramming adverbs is very simple. You diagram them exactly the same way you diagram adjectives. That means you put them on a diagonal line underneath the word that they modify. Diagonal line underneath the word that they modify. But you say, Ms. Collins, what happens if it modifies the adjective or another adverb? I can't quite put it on a diagonal line under. What you're going to do is draw that little connecting line and the bend in the elbow and do your diagonal line, just like it shows you in your book. Remember to read fully your sentence and to mark it up before doing any diagramming. Every word in your sentence must be marked up before you start diagramming, because you've learned pretty much how to mark up and diagram everything, so you should be able to diagram every single word in these sentences. Go ahead and do page 168 and then move on to page 169, distinguishing adverbs from adjectives. How do you tell the difference? Well, it's kind of easy, because adjectives will modify a noun or a pronoun. And adverbs don't. They modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. That's it. That's easy, okay? You know? So if it modifies a noun, it will be an adjective. If it modifies a pronoun, it will be an adjective. If it modifies a verb, adjective, or adverb, it's going to be an adverb. So you're going to be doing exercise A and exercise B. When to use the correct word. Sometimes in our English language, there are certain words that are specifically used as adjectives and certain words that are specifically used as adverbs. Two of the words are good and well. Always use the word good as an adjective. Well is an adverb when it modifies a verb. It's only an adjective when it refers to somebody's health. Only when you're referring to somebody's health is well an adjective. Every other time, it's an adverb. Number 4, sure, real, and bad are not typically used as adverbs. Surely, really, and badly are adverbs, but sure, real, and bad are not adverbs. So if they're doing the job of an adverb, you know you have the wrong word, and just to write an ly at the end of the word. All right, you're going to be doing exercises A and B for that, that page 169, page 169. If you have any questions about distinguishing adjectives from adverbs, please let me know and give me a shout out or send me a message. Literature, yesterday you were supposed to read The Spider and the Fly by Mary Howitt. Now, I hope that you commented on yesterday's video and put what line that you thought was the famous line. I'm not going to say it right here in case you haven't done it yet. I'll let you know in the comments and comment on yours if you are correct or not. All right, I hope you marked up this poem. This is a story poem, so you should have it highlighted. What should you highlight? All the characters that are involved. Identify all the characters. There's a spider and there's a fly. There's two different characters in the poem. What's happening in the poem? What's the setting in the poem? The spider has lured the fly into his web. So there's a story that's happening here, and there's going to be a moral at the very end. What happened in this poem? And I hope you've highlighted it all and uploaded your answers to me on My School Works. You're going to be reading the story tonight, Animal Friends of Kildee House, pages 326 to, I believe, 331. Yep, 326 to 331. Make sure you highlight Identify the characters and events in the story, settings, know the author. Let's see. Anything else on this story? Nope. Just answer your questions and upload them to me on My Schoolworks. Have a great day.